Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions out across the region this morning with fog as well right along the coastline. Seeing more sunny conditions inland away from the coast with that fog along the coast, seeing those overcast to foggy conditions currently. We should see some sunshine break out for this afternoon, and that'll allow us to warm up into the upper 70s. Temperatures have not responded much this morning with the fog in the region. I have lowered the temperature, a high temperature expected for today, into the upper 70s from the lower 80s. Expecting some strong thunderstorms to move through this evening, and that'll give us some rainfall across the area, as well as a good chance of some lightning within 10 nautical miles. So looking like some unsettled conditions for this evening as a front approaches from the west. Looking at this morning's sounding, we have a freezing level of 12,700 feet. We have winds out of the west to southwest throughout the column this morning, southwesterly at 22 knots at 1,000 feet, and becoming more westerly or west-southwesterly up in the column, and seeing our peak wind this morning at that 1,000 feet at 22 knots, and winds remaining about 15 to 20 knots up to 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have a lee trough starting to develop along the Appalachian Mountains, and we'll have a cold front approaching from the west today that's going to give us chances of showers and thunderstorms. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that fog right along the coastline this morning. That's going to be continuing to give us these cooler conditions this morning right along the coast. Should see that burn off and move off the coast once we move into this afternoon and into the evening hours. And that'll allow for us to see a band of showers and thunderstorms developing along the Piedmont and moving towards the region for this afternoon. Taking a look at the camera shot this morning, you can see the fog is below the camera this morning, and you can see the clear skies above that, just some cloud cover around 12 to 15,000 feet. Looking at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have a few showers across the region well north and west of Delmarva. And looking at the WRF model for today, you can see those showers north and west, and then seeing those showers and thunderstorms develop along the metropolitan area this afternoon, and then advancing eastward towards our region. Brings in a shower or thunderstorm as early as 7 p.m. this evening, and really brings through the showers and thunderstorms around 8 to 9 p.m. this evening here on this WRF model. Some of the other models are indicating some slower advancement of the showers and thunderstorms, and the HRRR is indicating that. Here you can see it develops some showers and thunderstorms well north and west of the region this evening, and then brings down a secondary line into the region mainly after midnight. So going to continue those chances of showers and thunderstorms through the overnight hours, and showing that possibility of two different solutions, with one line of thunderstorms moving through at 8 o'clock or a secondary line moving through around midnight tonight. Looks like, from my forecast and the instability that will generate in the afternoon hours, should see the better chance of that shower and thunderstorms moving through around 8 o'clock this evening. So looking at our European model for today, you see those showers and thunderstorms this evening. The European model is much more isolated with those thunderstorms. Once we move into our Thursday, clearing skies, nice conditions, a very slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm along the sea breeze boundary. Then for Friday, we'll have an advancement of area low pressure moving towards the region. That's going to give us some more onshore flow as a backdoor cold front slides along the coast, and that's going to give us some cooler conditions for Friday in comparison to Thursday. But for Friday evening, looks like we'll have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like that timing of the front moving towards the region with the showers and thunderstorms, that area low pressure, will be a bit slower for Friday. So it looks like Friday afternoon should be okay. But right now, we'll continue to monitor the advancement of that shower and thunderstorm activity. Once we move into Saturday, looks like the pattern is really unsettled for Memorial Day weekend. Area high pressure building in from New England with the area low pressure settled over the North Carolina-Virginia border. It's going to give us onshore flow, continued precipitation chances through Saturday, and it looks like the first half of Sunday and possibly through all day Sunday. So not the best Memorial Day weekend for any holiday activities that you may have for barbecues or beach activities, and it looks like it will be fairly breezy as well for this weekend. Once we move into our Monday, things should settle, and area low pressure moves well north and east of our region, so it should give us good conditions for Monday and into Tuesday of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, it looks like we'll have a high around 79. Temperature is still stuck at 70 degrees this morning. I am expecting it to rise once we move towards the afternoon hours into the upper 70s, but not really seeing much advancement of that temperature this morning as the fog has been stubborn and not able to erode away from the coast. So if that fog does stay along the coastline, I wouldn't be surprised we're stuck into the lower 70s all day long, but I am expecting it to burn off to give us enough time this afternoon to see temperatures rise into the upper 70s. Our winds will be out of the south this afternoon, gusting to 23 knots, so a slight chance of a wind advisory. We'll see those ceilings below 500 feet this morning. As I mentioned, it should erode for the afternoon hours. We'll see a 45% chance of thunderstorms after 1900 local this evening until midnight, a slight chance at 20%, 1700 local to 1900 local, and a 30% chance from midnight to 4 a.m. on Thursday. A low tonight around 67 with those thunderstorms moving through. The thunderstorms do miss the area, expecting the low to be remaining in the lower 70s to near 69 degrees. By tomorrow morning, we should see light northwesterly winds at 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is fairly involved this morning. We continue to see those low ceilings this morning and then should see that break by this afternoon, especially after 1400 local. Should see those low ceilings move off the coast. Then by this evening, as I mentioned, 20% chance of a thunderstorm after 1700 local, 45% after 1900 local, and 30% after midnight tonight. We'll continue to see a slight chance of some rain showers through 6 local on Thursday morning. And by tomorrow morning, 8 local should see a ceiling around 8,000 feet with some mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Our tides are running normal and Thursday through Friday. Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and warm. Slight chance of a pop-up shower and thunderstorm with a sea breeze boundary at high 85. Thursday night, partly cloudy and mild, low of 65. And for Friday, mostly cloudy with breezy onshore flow. Chance of showers and thunderstorms by the late afternoon. As I mentioned, the timing of that system moving through is a bit slower, so it may hold off till the evening, and a high of 73 degrees. So looking at the next 7 days, a 60% chance tonight of that rainfall, and we'll see those evening storms rolling through. For our Thursday, a nice day across the area, high of 85. For Friday, more unsettled conditions move in. Looks like those showers and thunderstorms should mainly be during the evening hours into the overnight hours of Friday into Saturday. And it looks like Saturday should be a cold day for our Memorial Day weekend start. Good chance of rainfall, windy conditions as well, onshore flow. And Sunday, continuing with those cooler conditions, only a high of 64 degrees. 50% chance of rainfall right now. Model still a bit undecided how quickly that low moves out. So not going too high with our percentages for Sunday quite yet. Then for Monday and Tuesday, looks like better conditions. Temperatures in the lower mid-70s. More sunshine on Tuesday than on Monday. As well, tonight could see some stronger storms roll through, so a slight chance of seeing some stronger winds move through with any of those thunderstorms moving into the area, but should see that main threat being west of the Chesapeake Bay today. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.